Hi viewers, welcome back to Knowledge Grasp Physics channel KGP. Hope you all are safe and healthy in this pandemic situation. Yesterday we dealt with few full forms and their abbreviations and then definition of work, power and energy. Then we dealt with units of work, energy and power. Today we are going to deal with few more terms related to work. So first is work done against gravity. So what is work done against gravity? If work is done against gravity means if a body is projected vertically upwards, it is work done against gravity. So here work done against gravity is product of weight of the body and vertical distance through which a body is lifted. So what is formula of work done against gravity? Here it is mass into acceleration due to gravity into height, mgh. So you may get a doubt. We discussed in previous videos that work formula is force into displacement. So here it is mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. Here height is displacement and mass into acceleration due to gravity is weight. So how much weight it has, we need to apply that much force to lift it. So F equal to W and S equal to H. So work equal to mgh. So now let's discuss about positive work done. When a body is displaced in the direction of applied force, it is called positive work done. Means if we apply force on any object and if the object moves to certain distance in direction of applied force, it is positive work done. So here is the example. The boy is pushing the box and it is moving through certain distance in direction of applied force. Next is negative work done. When a body is displaced in the direction opposite to applied force through certain distance, it is called negative work done. Means we apply force on any object but the body displaces against the direction of applied force. It is negative work done. So for example, in this image, negative work is done because the body is moving upwards against the force of the gravity. So it is negative work done. Now let us discuss about zero work done. When position of an object remains constant after application of force, it is called zero work done. Means if we apply force on any object but the body does not displace, then work is zero. For example, if we apply force on a wall, the wall is not going to displace, so work is zero because there is force but there is no displacement. Displacement is zero, so work done is zero. So let us revise everything we discussed up to now. So work is done when force produces motion. Its formula is force into displacement, as you can see over here. We do work with help of energy. Energy is ability or capacity to do work. It has same formula and units as work. The power is rate of change of work. So its formula is work by time. So we can also write a formula for power, that is force into velocity. So next, units of work. SI units of work is joule and CGS units of work is erg. and relation between them, 1 joule equal to 10 to the power of 7 erg. It is same for energy. Now next, units of power. SI units of power is joule per sec because its formula is work by time. So SI units of power is joule per second, which is watt. CGS units of power is erg per second. Then we discussed about work done against gravity. Work done against gravity means it is projected vertically upwards. Its formula is mass into acceleration due to gravity into height, which is same to force into displacement. The formula of work. Now next, positive work done. It is said to be done when a body is displaced in the direction of applied force. Next is negative work done. It is done when a body is displaced in the direction against to the applied force. Next is zero work done. It is done when a body is not displaced even after application of force. We discussed all about it in previous videos and today video. So let me show few slides which are important and which I explained. Thank you friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. Please like and comment on the videos. Please share my channel to encourage me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.